How to cancel subscription in ExitLag. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type ExitLag. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on my account and sign in into your account. Now once you sign in, switch to the next tab. Now tap on the search bar. Now type ExitLag support cancel subscription. Now once you're done, simply tap on search. Now tap on show more. Now tap on how do I cancel my subscription. Now down. Now tap on click here. Now follow the on-screen instructions to cancel your account. Switch to the login tab. Now tap on my account. Now scroll down. Now here you can find my subscription. Simply tap on it and click on cancel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.